multiplying fractions. Whenever we multiply fractions, we're going to go top times top, bottom times bottom. So here we have 3 times 4 and 5 times 7. Okay? So top times top, 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times 7 is 35. See if we can simplify. 12 and 35 are not divisible by the same numbers, so it's as small as we can make it. Our answer here, 12/35. Now, sometimes you can simplify ahead of time. That makes it easier because it's hard for us to simplify really large numbers. So if we can simplify the numbers when they're small, then it comes out much cleaner. So we're going to look at an example where we simplify before. So we always go top times top, bottom times bottom, but first we want to see if we can simplify. We do that by switching the numerators. We're allowed to switch the numerators because we're multiplying. There's a math rule called the commutative property of multiplication that allows us to do that. So we're going to take these numerators and switch them. So 2 comes over here, and 1 comes over here. Now we can see we have 2/4 and 1/3. I know that I can simplify 2/4 dividing by 2, dividing by 2. When I divide 2 by 2, I get 1. When I divide 4 by 2, I get 2. So my new fractions are 1/2 times 1/3. So we go top times top, which is 1. 2 times 3, bottom times bottom, is 6. Now we could have easily gotten to this answer up here as well, but we would have had another step. So if we did top times top, we had 2 times 1 is 2, 4 times 3 is 12. You can see that we could have simplified this at the end and divided by 2 afterwards and still ended up with 1/6. This is just an easier way so that we're not dealing with bigger numbers at the end. So here's another example. So we're multiplying fractions, top times top, bottom times bottom. First we want to see if we can simplify. We do that by switching the numerators. So 7 comes over here, and 2 goes over there. So now we can see that 2/8 is something that we can simplify because both 2 and 8 are divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 gets us 1. 8 divided by 2 gets us 4. And 7/3 is just going to stay the same. Top times top, bottom times bottom. 7 times 1 is 7. 3 times 4 is 12. Small as we can make it, 7/12 is our answer.